Algebra 2, Cram, New York State, Algebra 2, Regents, Common Core, Key Facts, Trigonometry, the ambiguous case. Question 9, Law of Sines. Side A over the sine of angle A is equivalent to side B over the sine of angle B is equivalent to side C over the sine of angle C. The odds of someone doing exactly what you tell them to do is pretty slim, but I guarantee that if you cram with me, you'll become an Algebra 2 master. Inbox me at memedicine@gmail.com to order this complete cram session, and definitely tell your friends and classmates who need to cram for Algebra 2 as well to inbox me at memedicine@gmail.com for pricing and ordering instructions. All right, let's delve into the question. Review question 9. How many distinct triangles can be formed if the measure of angle A is equivalent to 40 degrees, side B is equivalent to 15 units, and side A is equivalent to 9 units, which we're not told? Is it going to be one distinct triangle, two, 3 distinct triangles, or 4 distinct triangles? You decide. I'll give you a moment to think. Definitely press pause at this time to work out your solution. All right, so hopefully by now you are able to arrive at an answer, and if not, it's completely fine. Let's attempt this together. First thing that we're going to do is draw a rough diagram right over here in this region, and I don't want you to worry about scale or accuracy for this. And labeling the vertices is arbitrary, so you can use, actually it's not that arbitrary, you have to use an A-B system at least. Your third variable can be whatever you want. I'm just going to stick to ABC, okay? So here we have the first angle, A, the second angle, B, and the third angle, C, that will be the backbone of our triangular formation. All right? So here goes our triangle, and then we're told that the measure of angle A is 40 degrees. Then we're told that side B is 15 arbitrary units, so we're not told exactly what the units are. And we're told that the measure of side A, and side A opposes angle A, that's going to be 9. Okay? Now we have to figure out how many distinct triangles have these dimensions. So, what is this? Can you guess? This is what's called in trigonometry and algebra 2 the ambiguous case. If two sides are given and one non-included angle, when I say non-included, I mean that this angle is not sandwiched between the two known sides. So when this type of information given, either 0, 1, or 2 triangles may be drawn to fit the given data. This means that immediately we can eliminate answer choice 3, okay? All right, and we're going to use the law of sines to find out the measure of angle B. That will be the next logical step to take, since we already know the measure of side B, because the law of sines states that in a triangle, side A divided by the sine of angle A is equivalent to side B divided by the sine of angle B. So the ratios of the angle side combinations are equivalent, as well as the third side, side C divided by the sine of angle C is equivalent to the rest. Okay, so all these side ratio combination side of angle ratios are equivalent. Okay, somehow they come together like magic. And thus, the law of sines can be used to find an angle if two sides and one non-included angle are known. Okay, and this is the case that we have here on our hands. So we're going to fit our given data into the law of sines. Okay. right. So when we fit our given data, we have 9 over the sine of 40 is equivalent to 15 over the sine of b. Now what we have to do next is cross multiply, and we get that 9 the sine of b is equivalent to 15 the sine of 40. When we divide by 9 on the left-hand side and divide by 9 on the right-hand side, we get that the sine of b, we isolate the sine of b by itself on the left-hand side, and we get that 15 the sine of 40 degrees divided by 9 is equivalent to 1.071312683. And now we are at our answer ready, because the range for the values of the sine of any angle, it can only be between -1 and 1. Therefore, this is outside the range. What that means is that 0 angles can be formed from these, 0 triangles can be formed from these given dimensions. So the correct answer choice is going to be answer choice 4. All right? Okay.